everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my fridge organization, so let's hop right in. This is how my fridge looked before I went grocery shopping, and it wasn't terribly empty or full, but I just needed a better organizational system so that food stayed fresher. I knew exactly what I had, and just so that it was cleaner and more effective. I'm just starting by taking everything out and throwing away expired things or things that are almost empty. And a couple days I scrubbed my fridge really good with some soapy water and sponges, and right now I'm just lightly dusting it and taking all the crumbs out with 2 microfibers from the Clothe collaborative. I'm also using these fridge liners. They're kind of like mats. They're plastic, they're 5 feet, and they are antimicrobial. I got them at Marshall's, and I'm just sizing them up so that I can cut them and place them in the correct shelves. I thought these liners were such a great idea. Instead of me just doing a weekly scrub of my fridge, I can just take them out once a week and wash them in the dishwasher or just by hand, and then once a month I can take them out again and scrub my fridge thoroughly. For my fridge drawers, I found at TJ Maxx these fridge bin liners, and they are machine washable, which is awesome. They're kind of like a cloth material, and they're perfect for the drawers because they keep moisture out. Most of the time I use paper towels, but we all know that it's just a waste of paper towels because then you have to throw them away every time you clean the fridge, and these ones you can reuse them, so that's awesome. To better organize my cheese drawer, I found these 3 plastic bins. I found them at my local Kroger, but I've seen them at Walmart and even at the dollar store, and I thought that it would be neat to just have 3 dividers inside of that snack drawer, and that's where I'm placing all of my cheeses. Refrigerator, so to maximize the space I am using this plastic can organizer just so that I can add my LaCroix and all of my sparkling bubbly soda cans. I always recommend to utilize Lazy Susans in areas that have depth and just to make it easier for you to reach and grab things out of a small space. To keep snacks contained or smaller items, I picked up these 2 inexpensive bins, and I also got them at TJ Maxx. And for the taller, bigger shelf, I picked out these 2 acrylic type of bins, and what I like about them is that I can add my milks and juices and just pull them out like drawers instead of taking out each individual item if I want something that's all the way in the very back. And for the extra eggs that I hard-boiled for snacks, I grabbed this egg storage box. So I'm trying something new. I am going to be storing some of my fruits and vegetables into these clear glass containers with the airtight lid, and all you have to do is just put your fruits and veggies unwashed into the containers with a couple of paper towels. They are going to be absorbing the extra moisture, and they're supposed to stay fresher longer. A lot of my inspiration for my fridge came out of the Home Edits book, and I got it at Barnes & Noble, and they have beautiful organizational pictures that are inspiring and easy to follow, and they tell you exactly how to arrange things, containers to use. I also love that they included these stickers that you can label your containers with. And for other labeling, I am using my Craft Smart paint pen that I used over a year ago when I organized my pantry, so I will be having that video down in the description box below. Top shelf I have my protein, which is yogurt or cottage cheese, and then my drinks, hard-boiled eggs and regular eggs. And then in the second shelf is where I'm keeping the produce and fruits. I have cherries, blueberries, zucchinis, and asparagus, and I'm going to be utilizing these for breakfasts and for my dinner recipes. And then on the beverage and bigger section, I have my regular milk and all of my creamers, and also some non-dairy milk and juices. And in the cheese drawer, I have different type of cheeses that I use to make sandwiches, as snacks, and for other dinner recipes. On the bottom shelf is where I keep other type of snacks. Right now I have mini hummus packages. I have some carrots for my hummus, lemons for my lemon water, and then some yogurts for my kids, and guacamole cups. And then in the two drawers is where I keep most of my produce and vegetables. I have turnips because I'm going to be making an open-faced burger with turnip fries. I have peppers and mushrooms for my chicken fajitas, and on the next drawer I have some bib lettuce to utilize as veggie tortillas. I also have spinach for smoothies and cauliflower to make rice. Last but not least, I have my spreads to make PB&Js and marmalades. I also have sauces. We love hot sauces and barbecue sauces, anything that is a sauce, and then some condiments like mayo, mustard, ketchup, and at the bottom shelf we have our alcoholic beverages. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribing to my channel. I have many more organizational lifestyle vlog videos, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. I will see you on my next video. Bye!